We're in Barcelona for Mobile World Congress 2019. I'm here with Sam Gadodia from LotusFlare. Sam, good to meet you.
Good morning, nice to meet you as well.
So, MWC 19, I mean, you could call it 5G World Congress, if you like. What is your view of 5G? What does this mean to the market? And what is your vision for what 5G should mean to the mobile operators?
5G is not just about network upgrade. It gives an opportunity for mobile operators to create better digital channels so they can create awesome user experience and then drive engagement and attention on those digital channels. At the end of the day, the return on 5G investment is going to come from what kind of use cases and how deeply a mobile operator can engage with their subscribers on digital channel.
Okay.
And this is where LotusFlare comes in.
Okay, so can you tell us a little bit more about the company and the products that you've developed and how that fits into the evolution of the operators towards that 5G and more digital way of operating?
Sure. LotusFlare was founded in 2014 by myself and two of my colleagues from Facebook. We are headquartered in Silicon Valley with offices all over the globe. We're backed by Google Ventures, Social Capital, and some of the leading VCs across the globe. Our vision is to provide IT stack as well as solutions to our mobile and cable operators as well as other enterprises to create awesome digital experience and then drive growth.
Okay.
We have two products and platforms to help achieve that mission. First is called DNO Platform, stands for Digital Network Operator. We believe mobile network operators or MNOs have to evolve to become digital network operators. What DNO is a full stack IT solution which enables mobile operators to provide that awesome user experience on their 5G network. Second platform is a growth platform and services. Today, creating and launching a digital channel is not enough. You have to have growth as a discipline to drive user acquisitions, engagement, and monetization. Growth is something which was pioneered by Facebook. We are practitioner of growth. This is what we did at Facebook. And we are really productizing and bringing it to mobile operators. Our DNO and growth platforms have been deployed by few operators across the globe, Asia, in Americas, and in Africa as well. What our operator partners have been able to achieve is to really drive more and more users to the digital channel, away from their call centers and retail stores, lift ARPU, and drive retention.
And can you tell us a little bit more specifically about growth? You mentioned that this is almost like an ethos that's come from Facebook. How are you implementing that through LotusFlare with the operators?
Growth is culmination of three practices: data science, product, and growth campaigns. What we have done is to create growth modules like data orchestration layer, contextual trigger engine, which follows what's called a growth accounting framework to drive user acquisition, user engagement, user redirections, and user monetization. We'll look at every aspect of user life through the user journey through this life cycle, and then basically make an impact on each and every element of the growth accounting.
So these kind of activities and developments have been talked about for quite some time, and they're usually lumped under the term digital transformation. Is that the correct term that the industry should be talking about and using and thinking about?
Digital transformation is kind of an overhyped and overused term. We believe that in order for digital transformation to be successful, it has to be institutionalized in an organization. What does that mean? It means you need to have right internal processes, not just what you're doing with your consumers or what products and services they're providing to your subscribers, but also internally with all the processes, looking at procurement, looking at IT, looking at network, and so on. Secondly, you have to have right kind of mindset, all of it from top to the bottom. And when you have then digital transformation becomes sustainable and scalable and really drive tremendous value for an organization. That's how we look at digital transformation.
Okay. Well, it's a journey that everybody's on at some stage or another. So maybe look forward to catching up next year back in Barcelona, see how this has developed through the years.
Look forward to see you as well.
Very good to
Thank
meet
you,
you.
Ray.